Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you wherever you are watching this program from. This is Biafra Breaking News Media. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to support your boy, and turn on the notification button to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. Cattle business is better than cryptocurrency. This is the perspectives and a statement coming from the former presidential aspirant under All Progressive Congress, APC, by name Adamu. This man is really an Adamu, just like his name prescribed. Well, he further stated that those who might have lost their monies through a shortcut business called crypto should learn to invest on real assets like cows. In case if you did not hear me well, he said cows. Now you can imagine why since 2015 that the government of Jibril Buhari or Major General Buhari ascended the presidential seat. Cows has been the center of the discussion. Let's continue. Which assured of huge returns on investment. Cow ranching is more lucrative than all cryptocurrencies combined. Crypto traders are supposed to be regularized so that they can be tracked in the events of cheat. Cow to currency, the real deal. The end of quote of his statement. Now, do you see how a typical Hausa man reasons? Do you see how archaic, how timid, the level of backwardness in the northern Nigeria? Everything they don't know how to do or they don't have the knowledge on how to do it is fraud. And that's what they believe. Notwithstanding, blockchain wallets can be used by fraudsters. There's no argument about that. But it is always advised before you invest your money in Bitcoin, you should know the company which you are trading with. Myself, I trade Forex, I trade Bitcoin, and it's been long I started trading currencies online, including gold, because presently I focused mainly on gold and cryptocurrencies. But the difference is that the platform to which I used to do my own trading is not the same platform that those. In this case, I would like the viewers of this channel, both already subscribed and those who are yet to subscribe, and the potential viewers to understand that cryptocurrency and every other online trading platforms are very risky because the regulation is only on the institutions, but the market is very decentralized in itself, which means you can open and have an account anywhere in the world with any company of your choice with their terms and conditions. But the right to choices you make, the decisions you make in the market is specifically yours, which means you are responsible for your mistakes and your corrections. The mistakes in this regard is that you are likely to use overload size or to buy market in a wrong direction. Just the same implication with stock market, which means a broker needs to explain to you, your personal broker or whoever you are contracting needs to explain to you the do's and do not. Alternatively, if you want to trade by yourself, you need to take a lot of things into consideration. your decision making, and especially your decision making towards risk control in the market. I trade Forex. I basically trade gold and cryptocurrency. When I started with currency trading only in order to master my strategies. When I mastered my strategy, I moved to trading these volatile currencies like gold and cryptocurrencies, because the little you focus on, the better. The higher the amount you invested, the better than the risk you face in the market. The another misunderstanding is that many Nigerians and every other traders in the world, it's not only Nigerians that make this mistake. All traders make the same mistake, even myself when I started newly. Some persons will deposit, for instance, 100 USD or 1000 USD, GBP or Euro, and wants to become millionaire in a day. Because you saw that the money is free and almost free in your perspectives. When you just make a buy, it moves. You see profit, you want it. You want to turn the profit to millions in a day by using more lot size that you are supposed to use, or by making wrong decision. The decision you are supposed to make gradually to grow in the market, you want to grow at once. So when you make such decision, it will crash your money in the market. And that is a fact. That is what it means when this Adamu, very Adamuris, just as the name sounds. So sometimes if people want to dabble into some issues, they should check the implications and analyze it very well. Do you know that all these guys you see in street of Nigeria piloting expensive vehicles and building mansions here and there, do you know that it is the same thing they do? It's not everybody that does engages in illegalities in order to make money. So they invest in currency markets. Another factor is that you should look into the legitimacy of the institution you want to invest in. No doubt, there are some institutions who are prone to risk in the market. How does it work? Cryptocurrency is something you need to have money to start. Likewise, trading Forex or investing in stock or trading stock online is something you need to have money to start, a reasonable amount of money. Why did I say reasonable amount of money? You can start with less than 100 US dollars based on the currency of your country. You can start with 100 US dollars. You can use Naira or anything to make your deposit, then convert it to equivalent, no doubt. But the fact is that the mindset of bigger investors are also the same mindset with smaller investors. And the difference is that when you have a reasonable amount of money and invested in cryptocurrency or through their blockchain, trading platform, or that you wish to use MetaTrader 4, MT4, or MetaTrader 5, MT5 for your trading purposes, the mindset to which you approach the market is what matters. This is what the question is. Most people used to think that they can use $50 or $100 or even $1,000 to become a millionaire, that is in dollars, to make, let's say, 100,000, 200,000, or even to double that amount in a jiffy or within a twinkling of an eye. It is obvious that the market is free and decentralized. You can access it at any point and make your decisions. But you should not forget that your decision making is basically your right and depends on you. If you make a simple negative decision, it will affect your money in the market. It is a fact. But somebody who has big amount of money in the same market can make the same mistake, and the balance he has will sustain his money in the market. That is the money he invested in the market until the price of the market realizes and stabilizes. Again, your ability to accept your loss on time and basically the regulation of those institutions you are investing in. Some institutions don't have enough money. They don't have enough money. And they will just go to Corporate Affairs Commission and register cryptocurrency blockchain platform. Once they register it, you go in and give them your money in the name of blockchain trading, because they are like third-party brokers. So when you give them your money and they use the little money and approach the market with high risk, if anything happens to it, it will look as if they defrauded you. No, they also lose their own money on the process. But the fact is that some of them can't tell you the implications of connecting your account to their own account. So that is one of the risk aspect of it. Again, is that if you must have your own direct account, be rest assured that is instead of a third-party account, be rest assured that you will have to be firm on your decision making. That is, respect money risk management approach of the market in order to avoid this risk. Moreover, most of you people used to think that cryptocurrency is just meant for buy and buy. No. Cryptocurrency also falls. Like last year, it fell below almost one cryptocurrency to 3,000 US dollars, or 3,000 and above something US dollars. So before rising this one, it rose so speedily. As it is rising now, there are possibility of it crashing. What they call it retracement in the trading language. There are possibilities for it to retrace to some extent before moving higher again. So you can imagine how a typical Fulani man believe that whatever they don't know how to do is a fraud. All over the world, the market is decentralized. It is not only in Nigeria. Contrary to his opinion, an economist, it might not be by career but at least by in practical, Atiku Abubakar also reacted to the policy by this Buhari's government. So he reacted against it and said that the central government don't have to shut down the cryptocurrency operations. These are the difference between a clear mindset, somebody who is intelligent enough, and someone who is just a cow railer, sponsoring the wandering of cow around Nigeria with underage people with no reasons, single reason in his brain. On the other news, congratulations to Okonjo Iwela. While Igbos build the world, Fulanis build cows in Nigeria. Igbos are making ways, helping the economy of the world, advancing in many and various ways, improving the economy and the livelihood of the people of the world, whereas in Nigeria, the same people are neglected. The best brain, one of the best brains in the whole world, neglected in a country like Nigeria where they can, if given opportunity for a period of time, for instance, they can overhaul it. But unfortunately, there is no headway any longer because it's only referendum that will decide the unity of that country as it stands now. Congratulations to Okonjo Iweala again for her race to the World Trade Organization, WTO. Congratulations our own, congratulations to Igbo people, congratulations to Nigerians at large. Thank you for watching. Share your views, share your opinion, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button and stay tuned.